What's up, family? This your girl Dominique back at it again. I come to do a little quick hair tutorial video for y'all today. The hair that I will be installing, it's a headband wig. As you can see, I done braided these braids in my head. They not neat. Don't get me wrong, I know how to braid, but they're not neat. But anyway, let's get back onto topic. The hair company that I am doing the headband wig from is called Smoothhair. And this is how the box looks. Don't pay attention to my box. The postal service damaged my box. We're going to open the box up to see what all goodies that we have in the box today. Okay, let's get to it. First off, we have the wig, the headband wig. We got a headband. We got some wig caps. And this is my own headband. My boy put it in there, but we got some lashes. And we also have a edge brush. All that comes in a package, nothing else, just those little few items that came in the box. Okay, let's get into it. First and foremost, gotta get these edges situated, boo. Yeah. Before we get into it, let me get it. Okay. Put it up. Let's stuff on here to get this right. Okay. Make me some baby hairs, even though I ain't good at it, but we're gonna make do what it do today. Get it together. Get it right, baby, get it right. But anyways, I hope everyone is doing and having an amazing Monday, because this is the day that I will be posting and uploading. Y'all hear Layla in the background. She got the overtalk me. She's over there in the pack and play playing. So while I'm doing my hair, she over there in her own little world doing what she do. Cause that's Layla. Ain't that right, Mama? Mama. Ain't that right? She blowing them little spit bubbles and stuff. If y'all have any ideas on what content y'all would like me to put out of me and Layla, that will be fine. I'm using my cell phone as a mirror, so if it's not perfect, it's gonna do what it do for the day. You feel me? Cause my light in my bathroom, what should I say, my bathroom light it's nice. It's a nice light, but at the same time, it's like my bathroom is small. Where's the head? Okay, I'm gonna use the stocking cap to finish to catch these little back stuff back here. But yeah, I use only one stocking cap. Oh yeah. I normally don't do it with a stocking cap, but today it's the first time for everything, you feel me? So we're gonna get it to going. Put my hair in the back. Okay. I ain't gonna have the stocking cap this far, so don't think I am. Cause it's not gonna be that far up. Okay. I'm not a type to record on camera, so if things seems to be off whack, y'all understand. I'm a new camera person, so I'm mostly camera shy. So yeah. Let's see how the path is. Let's see what it's talking about. You know, I opened it a couple of days ago. Okay, my neck getting stuck to my Velcro. Okay. Okay. This is the texture of the hair. It's an 18-inch Kinky curly hair. It's soft. No shedding as of yet. That's without any products. No shedding. No shedding. Okay. So let's get it started in here. What, Mama? What? What is you fussing for, baby girl? Huh? What is you fussing for? Huh? Okay. Gotta get it on right. Get it on right. Get it on right. Okay. I'm gonna have to start getting more consistent in posting, so I can get my views and get with some more followers and stuff. So if you feel free to follow the YouTube channel. Okay, Mama. Okay. All right, Mama, almost done. Okay, Mama, almost done. And Mama done. So as you can see, you can take it and you can also flip this headband back like that, so that your actual baby hair that you created is visible. Okay, I got my powder brush. Got my spray bottle with my water in it. What else? A little bit of conditioner. This baby girl conditioner. I have to go out to the store to get some conditioner. So yeah. And okay. Give me a hair tie out of here. I know I had a black one somewhere, but oh well, we're gonna work with this white one. 2 styles today because Layla is fussing. I will do a short video with myself styling the hair. So yeah, we're gonna do that. First, we're gonna start out by misting it. I don't want it soaking wet, cause yeah. Okay, just mist it just to get my hair loose and together. Okay, I just take my hands and finger, rub it down the shaft of the hair. Okay. What, Mama, what? I'll take it, I'll brush it. Brush it out. See, it's coming on up. Take a little conditioner, put on it. Y'all excuse how I'm doing in the background, because my little girl is right there and I'm trying to get her to calm down. Okay. Trying to get her to calm down, because she's fussing. She just wants my attention, that's all it is. That's all they want. Mommy's attention. Ain't that right, Lay? The girls coming in. That's because I done wetted it up some more. The girls coming in. I don't really be wanting it soaking wet, but I'm gonna have to do what I have to do to make this work for you guys today. Okay, 8. Okay. Now you can actually see those curls in there. Okay, go to the next piece. Okay, y'all, hold on. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna still be, you know, right where I'm at, but I'm gonna tend to later. Give her something to drink real quick. Okay, I'm back, guys. Sorry about that. Got baby girl situated. Okay. What, mama? Okay, see the curls. See it. And that's only with conditioner and water. Okay. It's sliding back because let's do this side. Get this side to tangle. Okay. Now where's my spray bottle? Luckily I got 2 spray bottles. This is just an empty spray bottle with water in it as well. And I didn't use all the product out of it. I'm having a good Monday so far. I'm blessed. I can say that. I'm doing what I do best. You know, being a mom. And baby girl just fussing. And she could be having toys in a packing plate, but she rather for mommy love. That's it. That's all it is. She want mommy's love. You want mommy's love? Huh? You want mommy's love? Yeah, you want mommy's love. I don't want it to be too crazy. Just run my fingers through the hair. What, Layla? It's gonna be a quick video because sister girl, she's being mean. Okay, mama, here. Sit down. Okay, that. Play with that. I don't know. Layla must have misplaced the headband. Okay, you can wear it. And like this. This can be a style. Sorry about that. This could be a style. Or you can do half up, half down. Why? My comb needs to stay comb. All right. You can do half up, half down. Or you can do. Hi, Trey. Hey. You can do half up, half down. Get your back. Get your tooth. Come on. Sorry, y'all. That's my oldest son. Just getting out of school. Okay. You can do half up, half down. Like that. Then, if you want to, you can do it like that. Have it half up, half down. Sorry about my sides over here. This headband. I'm gonna get it right for y'all. Okay. All right. Cause it's looking wop-sided. Okay. That's one style, y'all. I'm gonna have to end this video real quick because baby girl's upset. Okay. Or either you can just take it and part it. Part it to the side, put your little hair off to the side, and you can rock it like that. Then you can even spice it up with one of them the neck garnets, like you riding on a motorcycle or whatever. You can use that as like a headband too. I got a blue one, even though I don't have anything blue on, but it's not gonna be my do for the day or whatever. I'm gonna end up putting my white headband on. It's like a neck guard, you know. And all you do, you can just roll it up like this. It's stretched as well. You can just throw it over your head. Put your hair like that. You can just bring this up. It'll cover your edges up a little bit. That's if you would like for your edges and stuff to be covered. For me, I'm not a big edge girl, a fan of edges. But I would do them every now and then, you know, just to give me a little decency. Okay, put it up over there, like that. You can pull it all up in a ponytail, like this. The one you got high ponytail, high bun, too. You know, maybe like that. Now this rubber band. Here you go. You can add like that. Put that. You have your bun at the top of your head. You can have it a method puff ball or a method throw ball, whatever you want to call it. Or either you can just take it and you can twist it and make your bun on the top of your head, like that. You can make your bun. And then you can also take this part back here and you can pull it up so it can cover up your the back part of your hair. It'll be up like that. That's if you want to do it like that. But I'm gonna do a short video and with the different styles once I put baby girl to sleep. So thank y'all guys for watching my YouTube channel. I hope everyone likes, comment, and subscribe. Only positivity. I don't want any negative comments. If you have any negative feedback or whatever, you can keep those to yourself, because it's only positive vibes over here. Me and Layla only doing positive vibes. Positive energy only. Thank you guys. Love y'all. Be sweet. Be safe. Have a happy Monday. And like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.